Alright, now I will create main rebars of this slab. This time we will use the slab tool. Okay, slab tool. Click to the slab to get the elevation point and open the interface. Convert cover is 50 mm for top and bottom, and for font size as well. For the main rebars, I will define with spacing 150 mm and diameter is 16 in both directions X and Y. Okay, click the finish button. And now I click to select the slab here. And in this step, we have ability to check the preview of the rebar. For rebar in X direction, I want to define starting length 7 m. And I define lapping 50-50 here with the lapping distance is also 7 m. Now I click to create button and we can see how the tool creates rebars. Okay, continue to create rebars for Y direction. In Y direction, no need lapping 50-50 and starting length, so I remove them. Let's check the result. That's fine.